Guys, till today I meet many people asking me to cut my long hair short. Can you believe it? Now why these people have a problem with my hair, I really don't know. I cannot even grow my own hair tall. Can you believe it, guys? Now I've been keeping long hair for a while now. You guys know that already. And this is the longest length that I have kept so far. As you guys can see how long they are. Like how I face the problem, many people with long hair also face the same problem. And they are asking me to make a proper discussion video on it. So here it is, guys. In this video, we will only talk about the negatives or the cons of growing long hair. I will be only talking based on the experience that I have for so many years after growing long hair, guys. So whatever I say in this video will be coming directly without any script. And if you guys have long hair or if you are planning to grow your hair long, then this video is a must watch video for you guys. So come on, let's get the video started. Guys, since childhood I had a dream of growing long hair. I don't know where it came from, but I seriously wanted to grow my hair long. Now in the school, you guys know, you are not allowed to grow long hair. So when I was in the school, I totally gave up. I did not even think of growing my hair long, because if I had grown, then the sir would have come and cut my hair short, or he would have given me beating at that time. That time everything was allowed, you guys know that. Then I went to the college, and in the college also, you guys know, it is not allowed. In some colleges nowadays it is allowed maybe, but at that time, at our time when we went to the college, we were not allowed to have long hair. So hidingly some people used to grow only one or a few amount of hair long, and they used to hide it in their hair itself. I remember that, guys. And the workplace also, I have worked in the cruise industry for 10 long years, and the hair is like a sin there, guys. If you have long hair, you are not allowed to have long hair, because they think that that hair will fall in the food, will fall on the guest, or they make the place messy, because of which we were not allowed to have long hair. While I was working in the cruise industry, believe me guys, I tried to grow long hair. I used to apply lots of gel on my hair and used to set them, and my hair used to not move. It was like fixed. But I had long hair that time. I tried to keep little bit long, but still I was like a target there, and they used to tell me every time to cut my hair. So the freedom was never there. How many of you guys have faced this problem? Do let me know in the comment section below. So all these years my dream stayed a dream, and I was not allowed to grow long hair. But finally guys, I quit the cruise industry and I started with my own content creation journey. You guys know that once I started that, I was like my own boss, and finally I could achieve one of my dream, and that is to grow long hair. Now since this video is only about the negatives of having long hair, I will only talk about the negatives, guys. I will talk about the benefits in some other video, in my next video maybe, but in this video I will be only talking about the negatives. And when I talk about the negatives, I might miss out some points. So you guys have an option to comment. If I miss out something, then see that you comment below and let us know as well, guys. Everybody wants to know. There are many people out there who wants to grow long hair, but they are scared about what is going to happen and all that stuff. So please comment below if you faced any other problem with your long hair. So guys, to grow long hair, it is not that easy. It takes some time. It depends on the growth of your hair. So it is going to take a long time for your hair to grow this long, guys. It will take some time, because when the hair is growing, in between when it is not grown this much and in between it is still growing, it is not going to look that good as well. It is going to look funny because your hair is still growing, guys. So while you are growing for the first time, your hair will look funny, people will tease you for that or whatever that is, but it is going to take time. Then guys, when your hair grows long, some of the hair go sometimes in your eyes. They poke in your eyes, and when they go in your eyes, it is very irritating, guys. Sometimes when you are eating your food, one hair goes in your mouth as well, and these are some of the cons, guys, because it's a very irritating thing. But this is what we face sometimes. Hair go in your eyes get itchy, it goes in your mouth when you're eating food, so along with your food you will have to pull that hair out. These are problems that we face with long hair, guys. Then if you are living in hot weather conditions like where I stay in Goa, and sometimes the summers are very hot here, guys. So when it is so hot, you sweat a lot, and when you sweat a lot, all that sweat is trapped inside your hair and your scalp gets dirty very easily, and that is the reason why your head gets itchy as well, guys. How many of you guys have faced this? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you are a rider who rides bike, when you wear that helmet, you sweat inside of that helmet and all that sweat stays on your head, guys. So you will have to take frequent head bath. And while having head bath, it is an absolute need that you should be using a conditioner. If you don't use a conditioner, then all your hair are going to get tangled up, and when they get tangled up, you cannot even comb them properly. It becomes very difficult to manage long hair if you don't use a conditioner while having bath, guys. So remember that, because what the conditioner does is it detangles all the hair and it leaves your hair nice and smooth without any tangles. Another thing is, guys, when you have a hair fall, if you didn't have bath for a while, you are going to suffer from hair loss. Means your hair gets cut in the middle and they fall all over the house. This is what happens when you don't take proper care of your hair. So if you are thinking of growing long hair, be ready to take care of them as well, because the hair fall is going to look worse, especially when you're having a head bath. After you use that conditioner, all that hair which has been cut and were tangled inside, all that hair will fall on the floor and you will get scared how much hair fell there. That is the reason why, guys, take care of your hair. And guys, many men face big dandruff problem, especially when they have long hair. Now why that happens, I will tell you, guys. When you grow long hair, you take care of your hair, you shampoo your hair, you use conditioner on your hair, but we neglect the scalp, and the dandruff forms on the scalp, not your hair. So if you have long hair, you will have to take care of your scalp as well, guys. You will have to clean your scalp properly, otherwise you are going to face serious dandruff problem. Many men, they complain about dandruff problem when they have long hair. This is the reason, guys. They don't clean their scalp properly. Another problem that you will face when you grow long hair is, guys, some of the people will forget to recognize you from behind, especially the people who don't know you. It has happened with me. It has happened with many of the people who have grown long hair, many of the men. What happens is the guy on the other side don't see your face just because you have long hair. He thinks you are a woman and sometimes he will call you madam. How many of you guys, men with long hair, have faced this problem? Do let me know in the comment section below. And what happens is when we look at their face, they are stunned because now they have come to know that we are men. So you are going to get teased. You will have to face hated comments, guys, because not many people can grow long hair and you have done it, and people want to do it but they can't. So now, because they can't, they will make you feel bad about it. So like this, guys, if you are thinking of growing long hair, then you should be ready to face all these problems, because for sure you are going to face all these problems. If you are not ready, then it is better you don't grow your hair long. But if you are ready, then in my next video, I am going to talk about the benefits of having long hair. And when you come to know about the benefits, your mind is going to blow away. So keep the channel subscribed and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss my next video. If I have missed anything, see that you comment below and let us know. And if you found this video useful, then see that you like the video. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out. Until we meet again.